Good evening, Gautam. Better send the link in the group and say that I will not take the class if they will not be present. Tell everyone to join first. Parabola, very important class I am going to take today, because after this, Kritika, good evening, beta. After this, we are going to start ellipse. After parabola, ellipse, we are going to start ellipse and then hyperbola. So because parabola, after parabola, then ellipse, then derivative section I have to teach. So I have to go a bit quick so that I can give you revision also. So now first question for today, without wasting time, find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola. So you have to get the equation of the parabola. Okay, today Saturday na Anila, good evening beta. So today Saturday, Sunday, Monday what exam you are having? Inform, then tomorrow I will not keep the class. I will keep a recording. I will make a recording so that you can see it anytime after examination. So find the equation of the parabola whose focus is now focus is exactly coming as whose focus is 1, -1 and whose vertex is 2, 1, okay, and whose vertex is physics, okay, Sunday I will not keep, whose vertex is 2, 1, and find its axis and lattice rectum, So exactly you have to do all this work. You have to find axis, you have to find the lattice rectum of this equation. So first shall we start our work? What and all are given to you, we have to utilize that one. So first is find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 1, -1. So let's draw that point out. So focus point is coming as 1, -1. So now parabola equation we don't know where the parabola, but here we generalizing it and we are taking it, okay, this may be the parabola. Now focus point is coming as 1, -1 and whose vertex point is taken as 2, 1. Now some basic informations I have given you. So this is S, this is O. Now directrix line is this one. I told you now the distance between the focus and the origin will be equal to the distance between the origin and the directrix. It will be equal to the distance between the origin and the directrix. Can I cancel today's class? Because I think that no one is interested to study right now. Why to take the class? Only 3 students has joined. Shall I do like that? Better? So now here this part is coming as this distance will be equal to this distance. So we know that this part is taken as O, this part is coming as S. We are going to take this part as K. So now since we know that, Danish, good evening. Good evening, Danish. So what we are going to say that it is going to be equidistant. So one by one we are going to do work, because once you will miss any part of it, this question will be coming for 4 mark. Any one single part you are going to miss means the entire section you will be losing. You will not be able to solve the question. What is given to you? Focus is given to you, vertex is given to you. What you want to get? You want to get the equation of the parabola. To get the equation of the parabola, we know that we need an arbitrary point. We are going to take it as xy, and then we have to get PS, PM. So this perpendicular distance M. So PS by PM, PS will be equal to PM. So already we know that PS will be equal to PM. This work we have to do. So to do this work, most important thing is we should know the equation of directrix. If we are not knowing the equation of directrix, we will not be able to do anything. So the major section is focus is given to you, but equation of directrix you are not knowing. So since you are not knowing the equation of directrix, you will not be able to solve. So first work is to get the equation of directrix. How to get the equation of directrix? First, this directrix line and the axis, they both are perpendicular to each other. So we are going to write since directrix and axis are perpendicular, therefore slope of directrix equal to m1, slope of axis m2, m1 into m2 will be equal to minus 1. Take it as equation 1. So their slope will become perpendicular. Arvind, good evening beta. So their slope will become perpendicular. So m1, slope of line and slope of directrix, means this is called as axis. So slope of axis and slope of directrix. Only one basic work you have to do. You have focus value. You have this point. Only equation of directrix, means you have to get the equation of directrix. That is the equation of this line. Which line? Directrix line. Fine. Only this work you have to do. So for that, now we have to get the slope of axis. How to get the slope of axis? These 2 points are present. These 2 points are present. Now since these 2 points are present, you know how to get the slope of a line when 2 points are present. So slope of line in 2-point form. Remember this point. Slope of line in 2-point form means if a line is having 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2, then how to get the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to slope. So here 2 points are already there. How to get the slope of axis? So slope of axis is m2. So m2 will be equal to, that is slope of axis will be minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 and then 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. It is coming as minus 2 by minus 1. So it is coming as 2. Therefore, slope of directrix is coming as slope of directrix into this equal to minus 1 using equation 1. So directly m2 is coming as 2. So what will be m1? m1 will be coming as this. So slope of directrix we got. One work over. Slope of directrix we got. One jackpot point is over. But another problem is coming that with only slope we cannot be able to get the equation of this line. With only slope we cannot be able to get the equation of this line. We need one point here. We need one point here, contact point, at least any point here. If we will be knowing the point here, we will be able to get the answer. So what we are going to do is, we will be taking this point as x1, y1. So now we know that distance between the origin and the focus is equal to the distance between this. So both distances same. So that means origin is going to be the midpoint. So if origin is going to be the midpoint, what we are going to do? So if origin is going to be the midpoint, what we are going to do? So since OK equal to OS, O is the midpoint, then what we are going to do? 2 means we know that midpoint formula na, if midpoint is present between two line, then formula is x will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So here this midpoint value 2 is there. So we can write here that 2 will be equal to, here point is x1. So x1 plus 1 by 2. So it is coming as 4 minus 1 equal to x1. So x1 is coming as 3. So one point we got here is 3. Now shall we get the another point? So now next is 1. So 1 will be equal to y1 minus 1 by 2. So it is going to be 2 plus 1 equal to y1. So y1 is coming as 3. So this point is coming as 3. Jackpot. Now we have a point and we have slope, so that we can get the equation of the line. You have point on this line, okay, mm dash, and you have slope of this, and slope of this is minus 1 by 2. Gautam, absolutely correct beta, absolutely correct Gautam, really proud of you. So now look here. So now what we are going to do, shall we get the equation, line equation of directrix? So what will be the equation of directrix? So equation of directrix will be what? Equation of directrix, we know the formula now. Now directrix is having one contact point 3, 3 and it is having slope minus 1 by 2. So equation is what? Equation, Bhumi, good evening beta. Equation is coming as y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to m. So now this equation we are going to use y minus 3 by x minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. So now we got equation of directrix. Now only one small work you have to do. Like this type of question it will be coming. It is very easy to say that auntie have not taught. So now auntie is teaching. Auntie has not left this question. So 2y minus 6 equal to minus x plus 3. Shift this one that side. X plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix line. So that means equation of directrix line is x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Now we got equation of directrix line. Now we have to get the equation of the parabola. For equation of the parabola, we now general statement PS will be equal to PM. The ratio is constant. Now square of PM will be equal to square of PS. So what is PM? Because it is the perpendicular distance. So equation will be coming as equation of this directrix x plus 2y minus 9 by root under coefficient of x is 1, so 1 square, coefficient of y is 2, so 2 square, and then outside whole square. Now distance between PS x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square, and root part is there and then square is outside. So one time root and square will be killing each other. So now from here frame the equation very appropriately. Framing of equation has to be done nicely. It is going to come as x square plus 4y square plus 9 9s are 81 is coming plus 2 2s are 4xy, and then 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36 minus 36y, and then minus 2 9s are 18x, and then denominator part is coming as 1 plus 4, 5, root under 5 will be 5 only because the square is outside. Now this side square and root went to hell. So x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y. So now only small work. Equation of parabola is very near. Just check my equation values. Okay, only one small work. Check my equation values. So it is exactly coming as x square. So x square plus 4y square plus 81 plus 4xy minus 36y minus 18x equal to 5x square plus 5y square minus 5 2s are 10x plus 10y, and here it is coming as 1 plus 1 2, 5 2s are 10. So now we got everything. Shift it that side or shift this one this side. So if we are shifting that side, just check the equation finally. Check the final equation. What is the final equation here beta? So here when x square will shift this side, so 5 minus x square will become 4x square. 4y square shift this side, it will become only y square. Now minus 10x and plus 18. So plus 18x minus 10x is going to be plus 8x. Check this one, plus 8x is coming or not. So plus 8x we got. So now minus 4x square shift that side. So it is going to come as minus 4xy. Now 10y is coming and this side is minus 30. So it is going to be 46y. Check this one out. 46y is coming or not? 46y is coming. And then yes, Michael, hi Michael. I didn't got time beta to 10 minus 81, so minus 71 equal to 0. This is going to be the equation of the parabola. So now we got the equation of the parabola. Michael, tell me beta. Anything? This is going to be equation of parabola. Plus 10 plus 10. Check one time. Gautam. 10 is there and then minus 81 will be shifting that side. So it is going to be minus 71. Minus 71. Check 4x square plus y square minus 4xy plus 8x plus 46y minus 71 equal to 0. Check Gautam one time. Now this is the equation of the parabola. Now after getting the equation of the parabola, now they are asking some additional question. Means this much roller coaster is not enough. They have asked another part of it, and what they are telling that you have to find the find its axis and latest rectum. Find its axis and latest rectum. Gautam, answer I think it is correct. Now check one more time, but I think it is correct. Now look here beta, find its axis. So you know that directrix and axis, they both are perpendicular to each other. We don't have to do much work here. All this, everything is done, all is well. The reason behind is, you have to understand one thing. From here part only you just check. So what is the slope of the axis? Just you have to get the equation of the axis. Fine. So next important point is you have to get the equation of the axis. So equation of the axis, for that slope already you know. What is the slope of this axis? Slope of the axis is m equal to 2 and many points are there. Any one point you take. Let us take the focus point. So slope is there and 1 point 1 comma minus 1 is there. So what will be the equation of the axis? You know equation of the axis will be coming as y minus y1 by x minus x1, y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to slope. So y1 is minus 1, so it is coming as y plus 1 by x minus 1 equal to slope is coming as 2. So this is exactly going to give you equation of the axis. Fine. Very small place, I am just writing equation of the axis. So 20 will come. Where we are going to get 20, Gautam? First check this one out beta. Where we are going to get 20? See, look here. 1 plus 1 will become 2, Gautam. 2 multiplied 2. Just go for that. First you think. So 2 into 5 will become 10 na beta. 1 plus 1 will become 2. 2 into 5 will become 10 na. Down is 5. It is not 10. Check one time. Down is 5, it is not 10. Come on. Understood, Gautam? Super. So now look here. So here, now go for the equation of the axis. What will be the equation of the axis here? For equation of the axis, we know that line, equation of line in one point form, slope point equation. What is the slope point? One point is there. I took the focus point as the point to get the equation of line, and I got this slope 2 at the time previous solving. You see the video one more time, you will be getting. So now multiply this one, it is coming as y plus 1 equal to 2x minus 2. So 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of axis. This is nothing but equation of axis. Damn sure about it. Equation of axis. So you got equation of axis 2x minus y minus 3. Fine. Once we got equation of axis, the next important point is to get latest rectum, because the second victim is latest rectum. So now today I am not going to leave latest rectum also. So what is the equation for latest rectum? I am solving here only latest rectum because that side is already finished, filled. So now latest rectum, latest rectum is coming as 4a. So it is going to come as 2 into 2a. 2 into 2a. 2 into 2a. So latest rectum is coming as 2 into 2a. So since latest rectum is coming as 2 into 2a. So since latest rectum is coming as 2 into 2a. So what is this 2a is about? We will leave this 2a, but this distance is coming as a and this distance is coming as a. So total distance is coming as 2a. So this is the length. If we are able to crack out this length, we will be getting the latest rectum. Fine. Just one more time think like that, the way I am thinking, because any other way means it will be wasting time. So the shortcut way is, you know that latest rectum is equal to 4 into a. Now from origin to this one is coming as a. From here to here is coming as a. A plus a will become 2a. So that means if I am going to find distance between ks, so distance ks. So we have to find distance ks. Once we will be able to find distance ks means story over. Fine. So how to get distance ks? So to get distance ks, root 3 minus 1, that is 2 square, and then 3 plus 1, that is 4 square. So it is exactly going to come as 2 root under 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. हाँ 20 means it is going to come as 2 to 5, 2 to 5 only na, 4 5s are 20, so 2 will come root under 5, so it is coming as 4 root 5 units is the length. I rest my case. 4 root 5 units. Understood anything? Come on, quickly tell me. Understood? I feel feverish now. Key points. What are the key points? Gautam understood. What about others? They played with us, you know. So we played with the question. What they played with us, they gave only the focus point. They didn't give focus and vertex only they gave, and they told us to get the equation, full equation. So what we did is we also played this time with the question. What we did is first we got the slope, because these 2 points are there. So equation of line in 2-point form is slope we can get from there, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By that we got the slope of this line. Now this axis and directrix, they are perpendicular, so with the help of that m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, we got the slope of directrix. But problem was this one, at least one point we should know. So since this distance will be equal to this distance, we took origin as midpoint, and with the help of that we got equation this point. Now this point and this slope is there, then we got the equation of directrix, and from the equation of directrix, this is the equation of directrix. So x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0 is the equation of directrix. With the help of the equation of directrix, we got the equation of the parabola. And then axis is, rest is history. Okay, that is axis finding means slope is there, 3 points are there now on axis. Any 1 point on slope we can take, and we can use the equation y2 minus y1 by y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to slope. By doing that we got the equation of axis. And then latest rectum, what we did, we know that latest rectum is equal to length of latest rectum equal to 4a. So now 4a means 2 into 2a, fine. So what we have done there, nothing, just story making. So 2 into 2a, and what is 2a beta? Here literally this is a, this is a, this is 2a. So distance is coming as 2a, that's it. History over. Just joking, history over. Shall we go for the next question? Because today whatever questions we are going to solve, all will be very fascinating and interesting question. So find the equation. Find the equation of the parabola. Again vertex is coming as 2, 1 and directrix given. Super. So this time they have given directrix. Directrix is x equal to y minus 1. So directrix given. Equation of directrix given, x equal to y minus 1. So this time very cleverly they have separated us. So if they have separated, we are going to separate the part also. So now what work we are going to do? So first work is, again we are going to take the parabola in the standard form. So what we are going to do here is, now this is the parabola, vertex point is only given. So let us check what and all we can do. Now directrix equation is given, that is, this is the directrix line. This equation is given to you as x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now problem here is only one, that is nothing else is given. Focus is crying, no value of focus here. This contact point K is crying because no value is there. Now we have to get the equation, and for getting the equation, this perpendicular needed m dash. Fine. So now that means we need to get the focus here. Directrix line is there with us. This time directrix is supporting us. 0, 0, 3, 0, Prince. Check one more time, Prince. 3, 0 is coming. I'll check, Prince. I'll check. So now one small work is there. I'm very rigid in my work. Once decided means I'm going to use only directrix. So what is the equation of directrix given to me? The equation of directrix given to me is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That means y will be equal to x plus 1. So what is the slope of, see, coefficient of x is 1. So what is the slope of directrix? Slope of directrix is, let us take slope of directrix m1, it is coming as 1. Now slope of directrix and slope of axis, they are perpendicular to each other ना. So since they are, auntie आपका voice change हो गया. अरे यार वॉइस के साथ साथ दिमाग भी चेंज हो गया, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है यार, फीवर है 2-3 दिन से, क्या करूँ बोलो, उसी में काम कर रही हूँ, छुट्टी नहीं है, एग्ज़ाम है इन लोगों का, छोड़ नहीं सकते। तेरा भी तो वीडियो बनाना है यार, अभी बहुत सारा काम बचा हुआ है, छोड़ नहीं सकते बेटा। इसलिए शुरू करें। स्लोप ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स into slope of axis equal to 1. So slope of axis will be taken as m2. Slope of directrix is m1. m1 is 1 into m2 equal to -1. So m2 is coming as -1. So slope of axis is coming as -1. So this axis is there, its the slope is coming as -1. So this m2 is coming as -1. One another important point here to be noted, my lord, that one point is already there, vertex point. So now the slope of this line and one point will help me to get the equation of axis. Come on, think like that. So one point is there. Thank you so much, Prince. I'm a fighter, Prince, you know that. I will fight and get well soon, don't worry. I'm not going to give up, beta. Not possible. Till I am alive, I will keep on struggling, beta. Struggle is in my card, I'll keep on struggling. Don't give up so easily. Just say, Auntie, I pray to God that you keep on fighting. You will not give up. Say like that, it will be better. Now look here, m2 is coming, so one point is there. Point is beta 2, 1 and slope is given as -1. So equation of axis. So what will be the equation of axis? So the equation of axis will be what? Equation of axis means a point diya hua hai 2, 1. So y -1 by x -2 equal to slope is -1. Come on, multiply this one. Y -1 equal to -x plus 2. So it is going to go that side. It is going to be x plus y -3 equal to 0. This is the equation of axis. So this is the equation of axis. Come on, nailed it. Equation of axis. So now we are very near to our proof, because if you will be seeing from that side, you will be seeing that we are very far from the answer, but you see that we have exactly crossed a milestone. See, small things only going to create a big change, and here this small thing is a big change for you. That is, I took the directrix, I got the slope of directrix. I said that directrix and axis, they both are perpendicular to each other. So if they are perpendicular to each other, that means m1 into m2 will be equal to -1. I got the slope of axis, and once I got the slope of axis, I am having this point there on the axis. So that means one point, one slope will be enough to give me the equation of the axis. Now what I am going to do? So this axis and this directrix, they are meeting each other. Can you tell me what is the contact point between the directrix and the axis? The contact point between the directrix and axis is this K, jackpot. Because vertex already you have. Once you will get this K point now, then you will get the focus. So here from there only I just put that everything, all story I have made from this side, and I just created the connectivity. Okay, if you will be seeing from the beginning, you will understand that my strategy was very clear. I was very focused towards one thing, and that too to get this point K. I did everything to get this point K. So to get this point K, what I have done? X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Directrix equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Cancelled. So 2x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. Jackpot, sir. K we got is 1. Okay. Now once you got K, x value 1, then 1 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 equal to y. So here you are getting the point K value is coming as 1, 2. Once you got K value as 1, 2, as super prince, पूरा equation लिख डाला. Seriously यार, मेरे जैसा पागल है तुम भी. So now K point you have. Now we know that origin point is equidistant. So we know that, since we know that OK equal to OS, therefore O is the midpoint. Once O become the middle point, then what is the value of O? So now we know middle point, how to get the middle point equation. Just play with that. 2 will be equal to 1 plus x1 by 2, because this focus point, let us take this as x1 y1. So I have to get the focus point. It is emergency right now. I want that focus point. Without that focus point I cannot breathe right now. So now this is going to be 4 minus 1 equal to x1. So focus point is coming as x1 is coming as 3. Now I can breathe. Now next, second point is 1. So 1 will be equal to y1 plus 1 will be equal to y1 plus 2 by 2. So 4, check one time here, 2. Where is the answer? Here it is going to be 1 1 will be equal to y1 plus 2 by 2. So it is going to be 2 equal to y1 plus 2. y1 I am getting 0. So y1 I am getting 0. So 3 comma 0 I got. So focus point I got. Darshini, hi Darshini, I know I have to make videos. I am ready to make videos. Just give me time. When classes will be over, then only I will be able to do it better. After 10 o'clock, I will make it. Promise. Fine. Once I promise means I am going to do it. Anyhow. Once I promise means today I am going to make the videos. I said means I am going to make. Fine. So now x1 equal to 0. x1, y1, so we got focus point. So now we know ps equal to pm we have to do. So now square it. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Prince, come on. Gautam, sleeping. So equation of directrix is x minus y plus 1 by 1 square plus minus 1 whole square root under, outside square is there, it is going to be x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square equal to x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2xy minus 2y plus 2x by, it is going to come as root 2. Root 2 whole square will become 2. So shift everything that side, it is going to be 2x square. Good night. Okay, good night Darshini. Tomorrow you will see the video. Huh? So 2x square plus 2 9s are 18 minus 6 2s are 12x plus 2y square equal to x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2xy minus 2y plus 2x. So shift everything that side. So now x square, 2x square, x square. Now 2y square minus y square will become y square. Now minus 12x, minus 14x. Come on, check this answer fast. I am very known for doing some stupid work. So I may do some nonsense there. So plus 2y and here it is going to be plus 2xy. I think till here I did proper justification to the answer. Check this one out. Check this one out. Correct, Gautam. Gautam is also a brilliant student. Yes, Gautam is really a brilliant student. Gautam said, you said means answer will be correct. Auntie's answer comes afterwards. First your answers. Super. Telling about each other. Fine. Correct only. X square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y plus 2xy plus 17 equal to 0. Fine. This is not the end of this question tank. Question tank is more. Today question tank is full of stupid questions. So there you have to apply your brain. Now next question is, this time what they have done now, they gave you have to find the equation of the parabola. I'm reading the question out. You both are brilliant, all are brilliant. Only one thing is that some are lazy and some are active. See, everyone is brilliant, but some feel lazy like me. I'm the laziest person. So now look here. Find focus is given to you as 1, 1, and tangent to the vertex. Tangent to the vertex is given as x plus y equal to 1. Seriously, this question is really a rock star question, See, look here, focus is given to you, vertex tangent is given to you. What does vertex, tangent and focus mean? So first we are going to draw the parabola. So this is your parabola. Fine, this is your parabola. Once you have drawn the parabola, after that this is going to be directrix. Directrix they have not given. Come on, don't have that conception that they have given the tangent. Vertex tangent. Vertex is this point, not given vertex. They have given focus, that is 1, 1. Vertex point not given. We will take it as x, y. K point not given. We will take it as x1, y1. Directrix not given. What is given to you is the tangent of this vertex. So this point is coming as x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So very clever, very clever. I must say that this question is a clever question. So now what we have to do? Nothing. Why we can't do anything here? Why we cannot do anything here? Because we know that this and this are parallel to each other. Yes or no? This line and this line both are falling perpendicular. So if they both are falling perpendicular, that means they are parallel to each other. So two lines are parallel to each other, that means their slope will be equal. Now come on, they are parallel to each other, that means their slope is equal. Got it? So here y will be equal to this equation. If I am going to write x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, so y will be equal to minus x plus 1. So slope is coming as minus 1. So slope of directrix is also coming as minus 1, because directrix and this, they both are parallel to each other. So this line, perpendicular line, tangent line and directrix, they both are parallel to each other. So what will be the slope of this will become the slope of this. So that means the slope for these two are coming as minus 1, because parallel line slopes are equal. Perpendicular line slopes means m1 into m2 will be equal to minus 1. That you have to do. Only that point you have to remember. Fine. So now next important section, we got the jack point. Now here one point is there. If we will get the slope of the axis, our work is over. So since this tangent line and axis are perpendicular to each other, sorry, wow Prince, super, very good. So tangent line and axis are perpendicular to each other. So slope of tangent line into slope of axis, they will be equal to minus 1. So m1 is coming as minus 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. So m2 is coming as 1. So slope of axis is coming as 1. Story over na. From here after what to think about? Because here one point is there on axis, one point is there. So since one point is there on axis and slope is also there, so shall we get the equation of axis? Fine. So equation of axis will be what? Equation of axis, this point is present on axis. Slope is 1. So y minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to slope. So y minus 1 equal to x minus 1, kill it. So x minus y equal to 0. This is the equation of axis. Fine. So now this tangent line, story is going to be over now. So this line and this line, they both are perpendicular to each other. So since they both are perpendicular to each other, they are touching each other at origin. So since they are touching each other at origin, so this point we can get by the equation of these two lines. So this line equation is, this is equation as 1 and this equation as 2. So when we will solve this 2, we will be getting the origin, means the point of contact between the tangent line and the axis. So this is the point of contact between the tangent line and the axis. Okay, so that point of contact will be coming out when we will solve these two equations. So equation is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is cutting. So 2x equal to 1. So x will be equal to 1 by 2. Super, fabulous. So here it is coming as 1 by 2. So when x is coming as 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So y will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So again y is also coming as 1 by 2. So this contact point we got is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now though everything is done, because now 180 MB remains. Friends, now look here beta. So that means we got this point, we got focus, only one small work, and that is to get K. Now since we know that OK equal to OS, OK equal to OS, that means S is the, O is the midpoint. Now since O is the midpoint, so X now 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 plus X1 by 2. So this part is going to become 0. One point is going to become 0. See, check nicely, huh? Don't trust me. 1 by 2 equal to 1 plus x1 by 2, cancel it. So now x will be coming as, x1 will be coming as 0. Now 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 and then equal to 1 plus y1 by 2. Now I am worried. So it is getting origin point, huh? Come on, quickly tell me. It is coming as the origin point. So this is coming 0, 0. So how to get the equation of the directrix? So equation of the directrix is coming as, equation of the directrix will be coming as what? So first here, y minus 0 by x minus 0 will be equal to minus 1. Okay. So y equal to minus x. So x plus y equal to 0. So equation of directrix is coming as x plus y equal to 0. Now you have everything. You have equation of directrix. You have focus in your hand. Now only you have to write the equation. I hope till here you have understood the story. I did nothing. I just played with the concepts. One by one, I just used the concepts of line. Nothing. So that's why if you are very strong in line equations, you can handle the questions like this. But if you are exactly not knowing line, then you have to stand in line and learn one more time. All this. So now you have directrix equation. So now PS will be equal to PM. Take this as XY and take this perpendicular as M. Now PS will be equal to PM. X minus 1 whole square plus Y minus 1 whole square, that is PS will be equal to PM square of it. So come on. Now modulus, it is coming as x plus y by 1 plus 1 whole square. So it is going to be x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2. So this 2 will multiply that side, 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 2 to the 4 equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 4x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Prince, done. Interesting question, huh? Interesting question. Done, finished, killed. We killed the question. We killed the question very nicely. Shall we go for next one? Yes. One question is there, Prince. Let's see how you all are going to handle this question. After that only I'll decide how you are going to handle this question. So you have to learn to handle this type of questions. चलो देख लेते हैं. Question क्या है? An equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola. Is inscribed in the parabola. Fine. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola. After that, parabola equation is y square equal to 4ax. Fine. So whose vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Whose vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Seriously, vertex of the parabola. Whose vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Whose vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. My lord, don't forget this point. So you have to find the length of the equilateral triangle. Find the length of the equilateral triangle. Come on, kill this question. If you won't kill, I will kill it. Okay? Do it. Come on, do it. You can do it. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola. Inscription means what? Nothing. Our standard parabola is looking like this. I think because they have given whose vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Vertex of the parabola is this. Y square equal to 4ax. Solve it. If I will start giving you clues, means you will not be taking it positively. So just take it positively, solve it. I will not write anything there. Don't do this mistake. Don't write anything. We don't know it is latest rectum or not, focus or not, anything. We know that each length is taken as L. This total length is taken as L. Find it. Come on, challenge question. Go for it. This is a really super question. I love this question. 8 root 3a is the required length of the side of the equilateral triangle inscribed in the parabola. Prince, मजाक खराब कर दिया. क्यों सॉल्व करके बताया, बताओ. So now look here बेटा, we know that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. This is coming as 60 degree, inna coming 60 degree, inna side coming 60 degree. So all the three angles are coming as 60. So now since it is exactly, its vertex is lying on the vertex of the parabola and this axis is cutting this into two equal halves. So this angle will become 30 degree. And this angle will come 30 degree. This is coming as 90 degree. So now this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So first we are going to get this one. What will be AD? What will be AD? Because this will be exactly going to be, that's what I have not drawn that section. If we are going to that contact point B part only, equation of, so we don't know. So what will be AD? First we have to get AD, because this point is exactly AD length and this CD. This length and this length, if we are knowing, we will be able to write there, and this point is present on the circumference of the curve. That means on the curve region. This point is present on the curve circumference, I am saying. This point is present on the curve, better way we say. So then we just have to substitute and get the length. Nothing else we need. So AD and CD. So now first work is, we know this is 30 degree. Half of that is coming as 30 degree. This is coming as 30 degree. This is 90 degree. So first in triangle ADC, right angled at D. So now first I am going to use cos 30 degree. We know that cos 30 degree will be equal to base by hypotenuse. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to base is what? Base is AD. Hypotenuse is length L. So AD is coming as root 3 by 2L, equation 1. So that means I told you now, this point will be this length and this length. So it is coming as root 3 by 2L. Now we need this part. We got this one, root 3 by 2L. Now next what we have to do? We just have to substitute here. Sine 30 degree shall we take? So sine 30 degree is coming as perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is CD. So CD by L, and 30 is 1 by 2 equal to CD by L. So L by 2 will be coming as CD. So this part is coming as L by 2. So now we got both of that. Now once we got both of that, no big work. We got CD equal to L by 2, and this part we got is root 3 by 2L. Since this point is present, since C is present on parabola, y square equal to 4ax. So it will satisfy the equation of parabola. So since it will satisfy the equation of parabola, so y is coming as what? Y is coming as L by 2. So L by 2 whole square equal to 4 into a. X is coming as root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2L. That's it. I think it's done. So now L square by 4 equal to 2a into root 3L. This L and this L got cancelled. L will be equal to 8 root 3a units. 8 root 3a units. Absolute. 8 root 3a units. 8 root 3a units. We got 8 root 3a units. Okay, luckily we have time to solve some applications of parabola. Applications related to parabola we are going to solve. So now in applications related to parabola, how to solve some questions, some easy questions we are going to solve. How much fast we are going to finish parabola, that much fast we are going to start ellipse, because after parabola ellipse and then after ellipse derivatives I have to start. Okay. So now question is, if the parabolic reflector, question is, if the parabolic reflector, so what is it? Parabolic reflector. If the parabolic reflector is REF lector, if the parabolic reflector is 20 centimeters, parabolic reflector is how much? 20 centimeter in diameter, and 5 centimeter deep, then find its focus. Find focus. No idea how to solve. We can only draw parabola. Shit. Waste. Okay. Let us allow it to pass through this region. Total given is reflector is, this part will become 10, symmetric 10, depth is coming as 5. So this point, if I am going to take it as A, and this point I am going to take it as B. Okay, tell me the answer fast. I did everything. Don't think I did everything. Back to back I told everything. I did what? I just, since it is the reflector means 20 centimeter, if the parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter. So if diameter is coming as 20, then radius means from this part, it is going, since it is symmetric, so it will come 10 and 10. Work over. Next important point is that here from origin to this, they are telling the depth of it is coming as 5. So this point A will become 5, 10. This point will become 5, 10. If we are going to take it as, origin, then focus point, we don't know where is the focus. Why to think like that? First we have to exactly, Saranya, good evening beta. Good evening Saru. Pah Prince, super. Maza aa gaya aaj. Super Prince. Now look here beta. So now we don't know. What we are going to do is, we know that standard equation of the parabola will be coming as y square equal to 4ax. So now we know that this point is present on parabola. So since A, that is 5, 10 is on parabola, y square equal to 4ax, it will satisfy the equation of parabola. It will satisfy the equation of parabola. So it is going to satisfy the equation of parabola. So since it is going to satisfy the equation of parabola beta, what we are going to do here is, this point we are going to substitute in, instead of y we are going to put 10 square equal to 4 into a into x is coming as 5. So 100 by 20 equal to a. So no, a is coming as 5. So what will be the focus? So focus point will be taken as S, it is coming as 5, 0. So focus is coming as 5, 0. That's it. Story over beta. Focus is S, 5, 0. Focus is coming as S5 comma 0, huh? Focus is coming as 5 comma 0, correct? Absolute beta. Focus is coming as 5 comma 0. I hope you might have understood. Come on, we have the courage to do one more question. Shall we go for one more question? Come on, one more question we can handle, huh? From here we can handle one more question. Can't give up so easily. Yeah, we have 5 minutes to go for one more question. So what is the question here? Understood everyone now? The focus of the parabolic mirror the focus of the parabolic mirror. So one parabolic mirror is there. Okay, the focus of the wow, thank you Prince. No problem. The focus of parabolic mirror, as we are going to show it in the figure, is at a distance offline classes are really very interesting beta. Offline classes as a distance of 6 centimeter. It is at a distance of 6 centimeter. Focus is at a distance of 6 centimeter from its vertex. So now next is, if the mirror is 20 centimeter deep, if the mirror is 20 centimeter deep, then what they are asking? Hello Patnaik creations. 20 centimeter deep, find the distance LM. Find the distance LM. Come on, you can do it. Nice name, Patnaik creations. I know one sir whose name is also Patnaik. Come on, go for it. Nothing is there in the question, beta. Try this question out. Naveen. Nice name, Naveen. Yes, I still remember those. That was really very, very super. Yeah, that memories were so fine, Saranya. We enjoyed a lot, na? Offline classes were so good. Next, again, offline class will come. 43.81 is coming. Okay, super Prince. We will again offline class will come. Like soon we can have offline classes. Don't lose hope. Hope against hope. The correct word is hope against hope. हाँ, मैं offline भी पढ़ाती हूँ. The focus of parabola mirror is exactly what is given here. This is the parabola. If it is looking like parabola. So this is the parabola beta. So now focus is given. So focus point we are going to take from vertex. So it is going to come as a comma 0, huh? And now they are telling the depth. Depth means I am going to increase this one. It is coming as total 20, हाँ. मैं ऑफलाइन ही पढ़ाती हूँ. ये तो कोविड ने हमारा जान खा रखा है. कोविड अंकल हैज किल्ड अस. So beta, the thing here is the focus of parabolic mirror is at a distance of 6 centimeter. So 100% focus given to you is 6 comma 0. I am going to take this as 0 comma 0. But the depth is given as 20 centimeter. So why we are going to do anything? The depth is coming as how much? 20 centimeter. So this is 20. So total distance is coming as 20. Problem here is we don't know this A, B, C. So now this is coming as 20. So now this is coming as 20. Now we don't know what is CB. this, because this length we don't know, so we are going to write it as BC. So this is a point on the parabola. This is exactly what beta, this is a point on the parabola. So this will satisfy the equation of the parabola for sure. Okay, so what is the equation of parabola? Here equation of parabola will be y square equal to 4ax, fine. But here most important thing is focus is given. So a equal to 6 already given, substitute. So y square equal to 4 into 6 into x is there. So y square equal to 24x is there. Now since C point is lying on the parabola, wow super Prince, today to tum rock Prince, today to Vera level today Prince, seriously Vera level. So now since C, that is 20 comma BC, lies on parabola, so that means it is on parabola, it must satisfy the equation of the parabola. Okay, it must satisfy the equation of the parabola. So what, find the distance LM. We have to get the distance LM. Great. So we have to get the distance. Where is L? This will be L. I think equation is given. Prince, LM means total length, I think they are asking. I have not seen the diagram. I made my own diagram. Super. So now distance LM only we have to find. So now what we have to do? So this distance, so we are going to take it as C, no L. So since this lies on parabola, so now y part is coming as BC. BC whole square equal to 24 into 20. So BC will be equal to root under 24 into 20. So that is what they are asking. So BC will be coming as 6 into 4 into 4 into 5. So it is exactly going to come as 4 root 30. BC is coming as 4 root 30. Okay, anyone got 4 root 30? But here beta we have to find LM. Sorry, BL will be coming. BL. That I have changed it as L. So BL will be coming as 4 root 30. So since it is symmetrical, so this will have, this half will be this half. So LM will be equal to twice of 4 root 30. That is 8 root 30 units. That's it, story over. 8 root 30 units, yes. सुपर, वेरी गुड. सो किसी के लिए अच्छा हुआ, किसी के लिए अच्छा नहीं हुआ बेटा. बहुत कुछ हुआ, जो कुछ अच्छा था अच्छा हुआ, जो कुछ अच्छा नहीं था वो नहीं हुआ. प्रिंस, so nothing was there in the question. They just played. Nothing was there. Application means 8 root 30 is correct answer, Gautam. See, for some it was good, for some it was not good. What to do? Life goes on. Life goes on. So I'm just resting my case here. Tomorrow next some application questions like cable questions are there. That cable questions are very, very important. I cannot leave that cable questions. So tomorrow I think I won't keep. Then Monday I'm going to teach that cable question plus ellipse. I'm going to start. Bye everyone. Good night. Ciao ciao. Sayonara. Bye bye.